I just tried to film the video that I had planned for today and didn't work out. And my tripod broke. Must be stripped or something. I'm just gonna take that as a sign that the universe just doesn't want me to film that video, which is fine. You know what? We're moving on. We're moving on. I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes on how I plan, shoot, and edit a more concept type of photo. I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes on how I'm going to shoot a Kiki's Delivery Service inspired photo. I was actually watching the movie while I was getting ready today. I was going to shoot this photo anyway, but I figured since this one requires a little bit more attention to detail and the editing is gonna be a little bit more intense than a lot of the other photo ideas I have in that video, I figured what the heck, why not? We're just gonna have a little bit of fun here. I was watching Kiki's Delivery Service back there, it's gone now, when I was getting ready just to get a little bit of inspo and what have you. Also, if you guys are ever wondering where I get inspiration, honestly, I have a list, like ideas just pop into my head super randomly all the time, and I just have a list in my phone. Like I have a list in my phone of all the fall and Halloween photo ideas that I want to do, but I also just get ideas for random different concepts and photo ideas as well. Honestly, the biggest inspiration is just following other creators that are doing similar things to you, because you see a picture and you're like, whoa, like that's really cool. I want to do something like that. Gem is like right beside the camera and she's so freaking cute right now. Follow other people on Instagram that do similar content to you, because you're gonna get inspiration from them. Like obviously don't super copy them, but it's just so easy to get inspiration when you're looking at other creative people doing similar things as to what you would want to do in your photos. So step one for this photo is I'm gonna need an outfit that is similar. I don't have an outfit that is similar, so we're just gonna have to go with the flow on this and see what I can come up with. My camera was just sitting here and she's just like there, and she's so freaking cute. Look at her. Aw, Jemmy baby, such a sweetie. As far as dresses go, these are probably the only two options that are even moderately similar. They are not the right color, but I'm hoping that I can change that in Photoshop after the fact. This one's black, this one's gray. This one's short, it's really quite short. Actually, they're both kind of short, but this one has a little bit more flow to it. This one though, I feel like has a witchier vibe to it, so I have a feeling I'm gonna go with this one. I don't have orange flats, but I do have these white, well they used to be white Keds that I painted yellow. I've had them for a long time, so they're actually pretty dirty, but I think like it should be no problem to change yellow to orange in Photoshop. So that's what we're looking at. And then I'm gonna need a red bow for my hair and then a witch's broom. In my collection of random fabric, I found a bunch of this red stuff, so I think I'm just going to just cut it up and make a bow out of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for a photo. We're just gonna make it look good enough for the picture and be on our happy little way. This is the state of Gem since you last saw her. She's looking cute as heck. Turned out a little janky, but I think it's gonna be okay for the video. Also switching over to the vlog cam, because since I'm about to shoot, I need the camera to take the picture. This is how the outfit turned out. I wish the skirt had been flowy, but that's just not the situation we're working with. So let me just show you the setup I have. So I have a white sheet, a chair, I got my witch's broom here. Now, oh, look at my finger. Yeah, my fingernails stained purple from dyeing my hair. I thought about shooting this outside, but I do want to just cut myself out because I want it to make it look like I'm flying, right? So I feel like it'll be easier if I shoot the picture in front of white, like even if it's just my hair that's in front of the white. So I've hung this white piece of fabric in front of the closet. If this doesn't work out, then we will move outside. My plan here is basically I'm going to sit on the chair with the broom's gonna be underneath of me. It's very short, so I may have to edit that longer in the actual photo. Let's just try it. Let's just see what happens. Where am I gonna set this? Because I no longer have a second tripod. I ran out of footage. I ran out of space on my card on my vlog camera, so I don't know how much that actually filmed of me shooting the photo, but I only took about 3 or 4, maybe 5 pictures. But I think I got what I need to edit it all up and make it look super cool, so I'm excited. I'm gonna try out this. Sometimes I get a little ambitious with my editing and think I can do things that I cannot, so hopefully this goes well. Let's give it a try. Welcome to my desk. I was kind of a dum-dum and I edited the whole photo. It's already been on Instagram for a while. I thought I deleted the Photoshop file where I was going to walk through and show you guys what I was doing, because my computer like did a thing where it decided it wasn't gonna work anymore because it was completely full, so I had to get one of these babies. And in the process, I think I deleted the Photoshop file. Hallelujah, found the file. This is what the photo originally looked like. When I put it into Photoshop, I got rid of the entire background. So I completely cut myself out. I started using the select tool and then I select color range and I selected the white. It didn't come out perfect, so I did kind of have to adjust some things. So I got rid of that. And then second thing, you might notice that the hair is a little bit different. I took a piece of hair from another photo because I wanted my hair to look like it was blowing in the wind. So I took a piece of hair, I erased the background just like I did for this original photo, and then I added it into this photo, just kind of blurring the edges to make it, you know, match up and look all right. And then I went on to unsplash.com and I found this. Is what I found. This background, I thought it looked good. It was kind of like around the same angle as what like my photo was shot at. So I just kind of put that in there. I kind of adjusted the brightness and the contrast of my photo to match the contrast of the trees photo, just to make it match up a little bit so that it looked like it was one photo. And then I put this into Lightroom. I added on one of my presets that I've been using for fall. I make my own presets, by the way. So if anyone would be interested in buying presets, let me know in the comments down below. I've thought about it for like a while, but I just didn't really think like my presets would be good enough to sell really. So anyway, I applied my preset, you know, did a little bit of adjusting here and there. And yeah, there's the photo. I really thought that I was gonna have more to explain about that than I actually did. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions or anything like that. If I can answer it, I will definitely get back to you ASAP. If you just wanna leave a comment and let me know what you think. Have you guys seen Kiki's delivery service? If you haven't, it's a really super cute Studio Ghibli movie about a witch who starts a delivery service because she's training a year away from home. And she needs to make money, so she starts a delivery business and she flies all around the town and she delivers stuff, and she's really cute. So if you haven't seen that, go watch it. And yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. It was just kind of like a little bonus video because I originally started filming it for 2 Sundays ago, but then I didn't end up finishing it in time, so I just thought I'd just upload it as a bonus video throughout the week for you guys. So let me know if you enjoyed the bonus video. If you didn't, that's okay too. And I will see you guys on Sunday with a brand new video. It's going to be some spooky fall and Halloween photo ideas. So if you want some more photo ideas, you can check that out on Sunday. And I will see you guys on Instagram and TikTok semi-daily, and on the vlog channel kind of just like whenever. Yeah, I will see you guys then. Bye! Completely missed the ball on that one. Let's try again. Bye!